Good afternoon and welcome to My Dora Babies. Okay, so Baby's tired and she likes to be swaddled to go down for a nap. But how do we swaddle? Well, let's find out. You obviously need a swaddle blanket. Now I'm going to go get Annabelle and I'll show you some tips on how to swaddle. The first way on how to swaddle a baby is to fold down this part right, take your baby and carefully put it right in the middle with about the end of its ear right at the edge. Okay, now take one arm and press it right against its body and fold this over and tuck it under their body. Now I take the bottom part down here and fold it up. Now I take the other arm and tuck it close to the body. And we pull over this side, tuck it under, and ta-da, you've got a swaddle. Another way you can swaddle is by taking that corner down there and folding it down, then placing your baby on it. Now, take this corner right here, fold it over here and tuck it under this part under the body again. This corner down here and fold it up. Now fold up down again here. And again, tuck this under their body. And you've got another swaddle. Now this swaddle is going to be a hands-free for the baby version. So again, put this down and then lay your baby on it like so. Now take this corner, and instead of holding your baby's arms down, put them up and put it like this, tucking it under the body. Now take this and fold it up like so, and then take this with their arm up and fold it over and under the body. Your baby is hands-free so they can move around. I've got one more swaddle for you. Lay your baby down, but make sure there's a little extra blanket above their heads. Now take this corner and tuck it under their body again. Just like before, you take this up and do that. And you fold this corner over again, and you've got a cute baby with a little hood up. I've taught you lots of ways to swaddle, so hopefully now you know how to swaddle your baby too. This took a lot of time to make, so I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching. Bye!